Hi everyone, it's Cindy from Cindy M's Crochet Corner. I was working on this stitch and I did a quick video, and I just wanted to backtrack and show you exactly how it's done. I'm going to use this yarn, which is the Moda Vera Serenity. It's an acrylic and a merino, so 40% merino and 60% acrylic. I'm going to use a 6mm hook, which is a J10 in US terms, not what they're saying here, that's more for knitting. So it feels fantastic, and I'm going to do, it's basically 3 double crochet in one space and a single crochet in the next. So I'll start with a couple of rows of the single crochet, and I'm doing multiples of 2. So I'll do up a piece and show you it's only a 1 row repeat once you've done a couple of rows of your single crochet. So I'll start with, say, 20 chain. 1, 2, keep it nice and loose, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I'm going to go into the back loop. You can just go into the side here if you want, that's completely up to you, it doesn't matter where you go. I just like going in the back loop, it just looks nicer on the edge. So into the second loop there from the hook, just pop in a single crochet, and that's all we're going to do for this row, just single crochet. All the way down, just in the back loop there, and that's how it should look on the back. That's our single crochet. So we're going to do 2 rows of single crochet, and then I'll show you the pattern. Just into the back loop there. I'm going to speed this a little bit up, and I will join you for the next row. So I have 19 on my hook now, and I've just gone into that last one. Do a single chain and turn your work, and then back into that first stitch. We're just going to do another row of single crochet all the way across. So go through the 2 stitches there, single crochet, and then the next row we're going to start the pattern. So just work your second row of single crochet. Just gives it a nice foundation. And then I'll show you the next row, and then it'll be a repeat row, and you can do it for as long as you like. Okay, nearly done. So let's just get into this. I would start with a single crochet on the first. Make sure you always go into that end one, keep your work nice and straight. Chain 1, turn, do a single crochet at the start. Then I would skip 1 and do 3 double crochet into the next, all in the same space. Then I would skip 1, skip a stitch and do a single crochet into the next, skip a stitch into the next, do 3 double crochet, skip a stitch, and go into the next doing a single crochet, skip a stitch into the next, 3 double crochet, and that gives you a beautiful pattern, quick and easy. And you just keep doing the same thing row after row. So I'll show you, skip a stitch into the next, into there, skip one into the next, do a single crochet, skip one, and then you're into the last one. I would do, as you can see there, we've got one, the single crochet there, and we've skipped one and then done your 3 all the way along, so you're left with 2 here. So I would skip one and just go into that last one and just do a double, just a double crochet. If you had another space, I would do 3 in there and then just do the last one, which would be your single crochet. But you can do a double in there, that's fine. Turn your work, and then just in that first one, the first single crochet, do your 3 double crochets, and then back to doing a single crochet, and the single crochet now would go in the center, so you got 3, just go into that center one just up in the top there, do your single crochet, back into the center there, that single crochet, you got the 2 fans on either side, do your 3 double crochet fan in there, and then in the top center just a single, back into that single crochet in between, do your 3 double crochets, and the top center, single crochet, center, just yeah, make sure you're in that single crochet below, do your 3 double crochet, and then you've got your 3 there, so go into the center, do a single crochet, and then coming towards the end here, right in the end there, just do a double crochet, chain 1, turn your work, and then just keep going. So now you can see the pattern forming. So into the first single crochet we do the 3 doubles, so into the center, top stitch, do a single crochet, go over into the single crochet which is right there, you can see the 3 and the 3, and do your 3 double crochet, and that's all you'll do now. Just keep repeating and do 1 double on each end, so that's when you join, if you wanted to join these together, it gives you a clean edge. It's kind of a mini version of a shell stitch, and it looks quite pretty. It's very quick to work up as well. Okay, one more. And that's all there is to this stitch. Okay, into there, do a single, and then just at the end there make sure you do your double crochet and chain one, turn your work and keep going. And that is your mini shell stitch. You can always, when you end it, you don't need to, if you don't want to, you don't need to worry about the top. It's got a nice scallop to it. If you want to put a border on, you can. That's just a quick tutorial to show you the mini shell stitch. Okay, have fun with that. I'll see you on the next.